friends, it's Mia and Ricky. Today we are at
Magic Kingdom.
That's right, Ricky, we're at Magic Kingdom. And we're here, we're going to eat something here today, maybe something new. We're going to try a treat, and we're also going to ride the train if it's available today, and it looks like it is. And we're just going to have a Magic Kingdom kind of day. So let's head on in. Okay, you guys, we're here and we're gonna board the Royal Disney. We have not been on this train for years now. Since it opened back up, we still haven't been on it. And the last time we were on it was way before it closed. We're gonna board the train, but we are gonna stop in Frontierland. We want to see the progress on Tiana's Bayou adventure. So, yeah. This ride should be a magical one.
See what I mean? Hope you got your compass.
Here's our stop, Frontierland.
This is Frontierland Station.
We got some varmints on this wanted poster. It says, I think, dead or alive, but I don't think alive is what they want with these three. Here's a reward for Sam Bass. 10,000 in gold coins. Yes. We like gold. We did some gold mining back in California. Yeah. Back in the gold mining days. No, not that far back, but back enough. Tiana's Foods, employee owned, coming soon? Huh. Food. Are they gonna open a restaurant and a ride? Huh. I have to research that one. And it does say Frontierland Railroad Station. Well, I don't think they're gonna change that. Okay, so here it is. Doesn't look much different yet, but we'll keep you updated. We headed on into Frontier Mercantile and we picked ourselves up a pin. Captain Hook and Smead pin. Let me show it to you guys. Here is the pin that I picked up. It's Captain Hook with Mr. Smead. I like this pin. We're in Fantasyland and now we are going on It's a Small World. I conquered It's a Small World. Yeah. Yeah, if you get dizzy or you don't like fast rides, well, this is the ride for you. today, Ricky and I are going to head over to Harbor House and get something to eat over there. So Ricky's thinking something chickeny, and I'm thinking something fishy. So I'm not sure. They do have fish over there, so I just might get the fish. So if you don't know where Harbor House is located, it's located right across from the Haunted Mansion in Liberty Square. Hey Ricky, what did you order?
Chicken tenders.
Chicken tenders? And some fries. Don't forget the fries. How's the chicken tenders, Ricky?
Chicken tenders.
4 of them? Are they good or no? They are good? They look good. Okay, so Ricky ordered the 4-piece tenders and fries, or chicken strips, whichever way you want to say it. And I ordered the lobster roll sandwich with some fries. And we ordered a Happy Haunts milkshake. They said it tastes like a blackberry, but we'll see what it tastes like in a minute. So the lobster roll, it is just okay. It's edible. Is it fabulous, delicious, and should you order this? Not really. It's about 16 bucks for the lobster roll. And let me tell you that if you've ever eaten at the Earl of Sandwiches, the tuna at Earl of Sandwiches is much better than this. And the bread is also. The bread is, it's just cold. There's just nothing to it. They just took a piece of bread and they slapped some cold lobster with mayo. And really, that's what it tastes like. And the fries, they're a little cold and they're not even crispy. So, you know, sometimes the food here at Magic Kingdom, it's just a mess. Okay, so I'm always honest, and I hate to give a bad review, but really the food, Let me tell you what this milkshake tastes like. It's actually very good. Sweet, berry-ish. I believe it's blackberry, but it is really good. Thumbs up on the milkshake. Would I get it again? I don't know. I kind of like the plain vanilla and the chocolate and the strawberry. Even cookies and cream. This one is good. It is. Is it my favorite? No. But I'm going to try the donut, because there's a donut on it. It looks so Haunted Mansion-y, doesn't it? The donut's good. I like the donut. Yeah, I like the donut a lot. I passed it over to Ricky and it's going to be gone in 2 seconds. Ricky, are you enjoying that donut? What kind of donut is that? Is it chocolate? Oh, it's chocolate with purple frosting? What color are the sprinkles? What color are the sprinkles? Black sprinkles? We are making our way to Cinderellas Castle because I want to take a look at it from the front. I don't see anything from the back that looks different, so I want to check it out from the front and see what's different for the 100th. So you guys, it looks exactly the same. No 100th touches, not like Disneyland. I don't even see a 100 emblem here. Looks exactly the same as the 50th. Not that it's not beautiful. It still is beautiful. But I thought maybe they would put like a 100 medallion on it. Not even that. Unless I missed it. Let's take one more look from this angle. Nope. No emblem. Same exact, same old, same old. Well, that's a little disappointing. This is part of the Walt Disney Company. Of course, not the original, not Disneyland, but still. It is a part of the Walt Disney Company. But you gotta remember, they're not even focusing on Walt Disney or Roy Disney. It's just the 100th anniversary of the company. Our founding father, Mr. Walt Disney, is looking down on us from up there, and Roy too, and saying, what the is going on? Oh well. I'm not in charge, but if I were, things would be a little different around here. So we're in Tomorrowland, and we are heading over to see Tron, because we haven't seen it at all, and I don't think we'll be riding it today. I heard those seats aren't very comfortable. If you've ridden it already, let us know. What do you think? Yeah, crowd level today here is not so bad. I wouldn't say it's real busy. So I guess we could ride it today, but we're gonna opt to ride it another time. So let's go check Tron out. There's lots of Tron merchandise. Now, to be honest, I'm not a Tron fan. I watched the movie many moons ago, and I'm not a real big fan of Tron. Here are some pins. Oh wow, here's a helmet. Are we gonna need this when we go on the ride? Nah. So this is a strange t-shirt. Sure ladies, you sure want everybody to know what size you wear, right? Very strange. This is pretty cool. It's a remote control Tron light cycle. Alright, so we are here. Let's go check out and see what the big hype is about. Does look like fun. Let's see if we can get on it. Did we get to go on Tron today? Did we? No, we didn't. They're doing that boarding thing, and guess what? It'll be about 2 hours before we can get on the ride, and we didn't plan for that today. So what we're gonna do next is head to the train, and we're gonna go around the park, and then we're gonna do a little shopping. Okay, so there is the Emporium, and that's where we're heading now. This munchling looks new to me. I haven't seen this one before. Oh, it's Dale. No, it's Chip. It's Chip. Let's see, is this Dale? Yes, this one is Dale. It's a Boo! It's a Boo! Anybody want a Boo on their shoulder? He is adorable. Check out his tail and his little hat. A Boo! Here is a new arrival. It's a castle. It's a Duplo by Lego. There you have Mickey, Minnie, Daisy, Donald. Here's some chillin' merch. button down. We have some little sandals for the little feet. And here is a chillin' jersey.
I don't see it.
Let's check out the front of this jersey. It's Woody from Toy Story. Okay, so this whole thing is Toy Story. The chillin' merch. Here's Bo Peep, and here's a little dress, a little sundress. Joey Cho merch. Really cute. Look at the melamine bowls. Melamine plates. T-shirt, sweatshirt, polo, mini dress. And I think I'm loving the picture. Look how nice this picture is. Oh, and the button down. Look at the button down. Check that button down out. It is nice. So I found the little tink ears by Joey Cho. They're very cute. Let me see. No price on these, but these are adorable. Very nice bucket hat. They'll come in handy in the summer. These keychains are so cute to put on a backpack. Here we have Mickey, and here we have Minnie. Here's an Ursula vase, an Evil Queen mug, and a Maleficent candle. Okay friends, we did a little shopping right here, and we want to show you what we picked up. We might as well, instead of doing a haul video, we'll just show you right here. And then we have a surprise for you, so hang on in there. The two pins we picked up was the Joey Cho pins, or Chow pins. Yeah, we just think they are so cute. Our model Ricky here picked up this hat for us because we're going to be sharing it. It is so cute. And we couldn't leave without picking up Oswald. Oswald Nuemo. Because we needed him. You don't see much of Oswald, so yeah. There's not Walt merchandise, so Oswald's the closest thing to Walt merchandise. Yeah, and Mickey, but Mickey's here all the time. Right, Ozzy? Okay. And now for the big announcement. Hold on. Okay, friends. We are doing a giveaway. 1,000 subscriber giveaway. And let me tell you, to all my subscribers, our subscribers, that are always commenting and liking, you guys are going to get 10 extra entries. For what, you're asking, right? Your by now was, okay, tell me, what is this giveaway, right? Okay, here we go. This is what someone is going to receive, a $50 Cinderella gift card for Disney. You can shop Disney online, or you can wait till you come to the parks. If you win and you're local, well, you can spend it anywhere on property or any of the stores. Yeah, so $50. What do you have to do? Well, you have to be a subscriber. New subscribers can enter too. You have to comment below, but you have to say you want to enter. Say, I want to enter. Comment below. Let us know what you thought of our day today. Give us a like. And if you haven't rang the little notification bell, well, you can't ring it, but you can like smash it so you can be notified when we release future videos and future giveaways. All right, you guys, this is a little thank you for all of you. We appreciate you, and yeah, and we'll let you know who won in about 1 week from today. All right, everybody, have a good evening. We are out of here, and we will see you real soon. Bye, everybody. Thank you.